Hello everyone, let's learn how to use HLOOKUP or horizontal lookup in Excel. During this tutorial we will see the functionality of HLOOKUP, what parameter it takes, and demo. HLOOKUP is a function which will be used for getting a value corresponding to a value from a reference data or a range, and it takes 4 parameters: lookup value, the value which need to be searched, table array, reference table where value need to be searched, and row index, reference table row which need to be returned counted from top started with 1, and range lookup approximate value true or false. This is how it looks in the Excel. This is the cell which you need to look up. This is the array which you need to search the value, and this is the value which need to be returned from counting from the top, and this is approximate value false or true. Let's have a demo in Excel. So here we are in Excel, and here we have our problem, and problem is we need to find a name of the teacher for each subject for each day, and here is the teacher's name for each subject, and we are going to solve this problem by using the HLOOKUP. So first go to the cell where we would like to enter the name of the teacher, click on this FX and find the HLOOKUP. Now this is the cell what we have to look up. So we have to look up subject name, then where we have to look up, we have to look up in this range, and what index we have to return. So here we have to return second row, first and second. Do we want approximate value? False. And here we got the teacher's name. Now let's fix the range so that we can copy the formula. So for fixing, use the $, and let's copy it and bring it here. When it turns to plus, click the mouse and drag it. So all these teachers' names are populated by Excel using the HLOOKUP formula. And let's try, if we change the subject physics to math, it will automatically update the name of the teacher. And that's how you use the HLOOKUP in Excel. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye for now.